In the shadows of the animal kingdom, some creatures defy all logic. A lemur with a cursed finger, a jellyfish that refuses to die, a mammal that lays eggs, a father that gives birth, and a unicorn, but underwater. That is so unique, like a mix between bat and a rodent, but it's actually related to us. Meet the eye, the world's largest nocturnal primate. That means it's the biggest monkey-like animal that parties all night. They've got huge eyes to see in the dark and one creepy long middle finger, but don't worry, it's not rude. It's for tapping trees. Here's the coolest part. Eyes tap on wood and listen for echoes to find bugs inside. Kinda like nature's little bat-primate hybrid. Yep, they're the only primates known to use echolocation. So basically they're weird, wonderful, and a little bit magical. But wait, not everyone thinks the eye is cute and cool. In some parts of Madagascar, where the eye lives, local legends say it's a bad omen, even a symbol of death. Why? Maybe it's those spooky eyes, or that creepy long finger pointing at people. Some believe if an eye points its finger at you, something bad will happen. But don't worry, it's just a myth. The eye isn't dangerous at all. It's shy, bug-loving, and honestly just misunderstood. So instead of fearing it, maybe we should celebrate how weirdly awesome it is. Meet the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. Unlike any other animal, it has a secret power. When it's injured, stressed, or even aging, it doesn't die. Instead, it reverses its life cycle, going all the way back to its baby stage, the polyp, and starting life over again. This rare process, called transdifferentiation, allows its cells to completely transform into new types, basically a biological reset button. This makes it biologically immortal, able to avoid natural death forever. But here's the twist. It's not invincible. It can still be eaten or die from disease. Despite being only about 4.5 millimeters wide, smaller than your pinky nail, it's the only known animal that can repeatedly rewind its age. Found mostly in warm oceans, it's nearly invisible and often goes unnoticed. Yet it holds one of nature's greatest secrets. Scientists are actively studying the immortal jellyfish, especially its unique ability to reverse aging through transdifferentiation, where one type of cell transforms into another. If we understand how jellyfish avoid aging at a cellular level, it might lead to new treatments to slow aging or repair age-related damage in humans. Meet the platypus, a creature so strange, scientists once thought it was a hoax. With the bill of a duck, the tail of a beaver, and the sleek body of an otter, you'd think it's a mix of 3 animals. But it's not closely related to any of them. Don't let its cute looks fool you. This mammal is a master swimmer, gliding through rivers with its eyes and ears shut tight. Instead, it hunts using electroreception, sensing tiny electric signals from its prey. Oh, and gentlemen platypuses pack a venomous punch. That spur can deliver a sting painful enough to make even a grown human cry. But the real kicker, the platypus is one of only 5 mammals on Earth that lay eggs. That's right. This furry oddball is a milk-producing, egg-laying, venomous, electrosensing wonder. Nature's ultimate patchwork creature, the platypus proves that sometimes truth is stranger than fiction. Meet the seahorse, a creature that breaks all the rules of the ocean. Here's something wild. In seahorses, it's the male that gets pregnant. He carries the eggs in a special brood pouch until they hatch. They're poor swimmers relying on a tiny back fin to move around, but their prehensile tail works like a little anchor, holding onto seaweed or coral so they don't drift away. Many species are monogamous, forming strong pair bonds. Some even stay together for life. And their eyes? They move independently, letting them see in 2 directions at once. They can even change color to blend in. Masters of camouflage. With no stomach, they're constantly grazing, sucking up tiny food all day long to stay alive. Tiny, mysterious, and full of surprises. the seahorse, nature's underwater wonder. Did you know there's a real-life unicorn living in the Arctic? Nope, not a mythical creature. It's the narwhal. And trust me, these guys are even cooler than they look. First off, that giant horn, it's actually a tooth. And not just any tooth, it can grow up to 10 feet long. That's taller than most basketball hoops. Here's the secret. Most males have them, but some females do too. But it's underdeveloping talk about a fancy accessory. Scientists think they use them to sense temperature or even impress other narwhals. Oh, and these guys are fashion icons. They change colour with age. Babies are blue-grey, adults turn spotted, and old-timers go full as ghost white. Narwhals are deep-sea divers. They plunge over 5,000 feet to hunt. That's like stacking 4 Eiffel Towers underwater. So next time you think unicorns aren't real, remember the narwhal, nature's most magical sea creature, is taking deep dives in the Arctic. The animal kingdom still hides secrets we barely understand. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the unknown with us.